Welcome to RP Hub. In this video, we'll discuss about how to create auto report using Power BI. This is the ninth video from the playlist. As I already mentioned, if you wanted to learn Power BI from scratch, feel free to refer my complete playlist. This will give you a detailed insight how you can start your journey into the Power BI. If you wanted to learn additional skill sets, probably this complete playlist will help you. If you wanted to get certifications from the RPA Hub, feel free to finish the playlist, share your screenshots in the comment as well as email ID. I will release certificates of Power BI training. Let's get started with today's video. Whenever we wanted to create auto report based on the data which is available on cloud, we can easily do it with the help of Power BI. If you don't know how to create Power BI account, configure it, add the data, make sure to watch previous video, then you can jump on this. Otherwise, you will miss a very important part. To continue with this, here we have to navigate it to My Workspace, and from here you can just click on three bubbles, and from here create auto report. This will take few seconds, and post that it will generate a very nice reports. And here you can see this report is generated based on the data or informations available in dataset. Now, if you can see here, the report is generated based on the column number 2 and column number 6, where we can see order quantity as well as count of column 4. But if we want even increase the numbers based on the selections, it will add a very nice reports. Here you can see the titles are available and count of column 2, count of column 4, all those numbers are listed as a main title or main headlines. Whenever you wanted to generate this type of visual and interactive reports by just clicking on one tab, it will be always helpful for you to generate this type of report. And as I mentioned, you can always work around with. Based on the selections, you can see the reports get modified. And here you'll also export this into the Excel or PowerPoint view. So whenever you will export, it will either open into the PowerPoint window like this. Let me open it. Till the time it will load the informations in the PowerPoint. Let's see for the further part. Here, even you can download this file, export into the PowerPoint or Excel. Whenever you want, you can save it or explore this data. If you want to modify or edit it, simply click on this pencil icon and this will start editing. Whenever you want to switch it to the table view, you can also do it by just clicking on show table data. In the further part, if you want to modify or add more number of columns, select the column number and then you can see the wizards are listed. Even you can apply the filter and based on that, you can see this report. Going back to this PowerPoint, it will still take some time to generate this reports, totally depending on your configurations, and you can see exactly same data is available into PowerPoint mode as well. So it's very quick and easier way where we can generate automatically without setting anything. Based on the data analysis, Power BI itself will identify which all data analysis will be required, and based on that it will suggest a very interactive dashboards or interactive reports generated in front of you. So here these are the reports generated automatically. We have not did anything, and that's the power of Power BI, where we can generate this interactive report without doing anything. And here, if you can see, if you want, even you can scroll down. Navigation is also available. It's perfectly working fine. At any point of time, you want to add more informations like export data, show as a table, spotlight, sort access, all those data are listed here. It's very quick and user friendly way where we can generate this reports from scratch. So that's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. And trust me, I'm adding lot more efforts for you where I'm creating different type of videos which is regularly used into the industry. So I would always request you to add your feedback or share within your circle so that it will encourage me to add more content related to the Power BI. See you in further part of the video. But for the action point of view, I would request you what all methods you can use it to generate the auto report in Power BI. You can add in the comment sections. If you know any other alternative where you can generate automatically report in Power BI, make sure to add in the comment sections. By watching those steps or by reading those steps, even other viewer can also get benefited of it. Always try helping others where nature will always reward you with goodwill. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in further part of the video.